Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing apple cider vinegar rinse. So I'm starting on 7-day-old hair. I'm just going to go ahead and start separating my hair into 4 individual sections. That way the detangling process is going to be easier. So once I finish doing my 4 sections, I'm going to spray my apple cider vinegar mix, which is basically 3/4 water, rest is apple cider vinegar. I'm using warm water so my hair can absorb it better. I'm also going to make sure I spray my scalp. That way my scalp is getting cleaned and detoxified. And then once that section is saturated, I'm going to separate it into smaller sections. But I'm going to separate it into smaller sections. That way I can make sure my hair is thoroughly detangled and the mixture is covering every strand. So here's me just playing with some little knots and just separating it. And then I'm gonna spray that smaller section with some more product, and then I'll just start finger detangling, making sure to get all the small knots out. I don't know why all you see is my scalp right now, but it's just like after 7 days and my hair is dry, plus with the bleach ends, it gets tangled and matted a lot more. And I've noticed that when I'm using this treatment on my hair, it's easier to detangle. My scalp feels better. I've been doing this a lot more since I bleached my hair. So this is when my color was still very much in effect. But as you can see, the product is making my curls more defined. They're just looking juicy and moisturized. And once I'm through detangling that section, I'll go ahead and twist it up after spraying a little bit more product, making sure that it is detangled. So once I make sure there's no more knots, I'll comb through, and then I'll go ahead and twist up the section just so it can be out of the way, and then I'll start on the next section. So I'm just going to repeat this process all over my hair until like my whole head is complete. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys just watch me I'm sorry, I get into that. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me finish the whole process. So basically, once my hair is detangled, I make sure I spray a lot of treatment on my scalp and on my hair. Once I'm finished, I'm just going to wrap it up in a plastic cap or a plastic bag and just let that sit on my hair for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on if I don't get distracted doing something else. And then I'll just rinse it out. So hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you have any ideas on videos that you would like to see, please feel free to comment down below. Once again, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.